In this video, we're going to go ahead and show you guys how to save CSEX files. So these files are archives you can save when you printed an image like this one and you like the output. And you want to save this image file, and you also want to save the settings for it for later use. First thing we're going to do is we're going to go to our archives. We're going to select our file by double clicking your left mouse key. We're going to go to Color, Save All Settings, and we're going to go ahead and label this file. I'm going to go ahead and label it what the graphic is, which is enemy R CSEX file. I'm going to go ahead and save that. Alright, now that it's saved, we're going to go ahead and use these settings on a different file. As you can see, my image here is inverted. So if I select a different file, see this image here is not inverted. So I'm going to apply the settings that I previously saved from my enemy logo. To do so, I'm going to go to Archives. I'm going to select my file or my image. I'm going to go to Color, and I'm going to go to Open All Settings. As you can see, my CSEX file is right here, named enemy R. I'm going to go select that and open. Once I've opened that file, I'm going to go ahead and go to Advanced Settings just to confirm that my settings have changed. As you can see here, we have some different settings that have been applied. Okay, once I make sure that these settings have been applied, I'm going to go ahead and press OK and OK again. As you can see now, my image has flipped and it's a little smaller. It's using the same settings files as the previous saved CSEX file. Alright everybody, that's how you save CSEX file for later use depending on a graphic, or if you get some settings that work good on hoodies, you can create a CSEX file named hoodies, so on and so forth. Thank you for joining, and we'll wait for you guys' comments. Let us know what you guys want to learn next, and we'll post some more videos. Thank you.